Lightricks, a company known for its AI-based filters, has launched a new product that is making waves in the realm of AI-generated video content. Named LTX Studio, this AI engine boasts an unparalleled level of user control over video creation, marking a significant advancement from existing tools. So, Philip, can you break this down for us?
Sure. I'm sort of getting AI fatigued with these products. Now this one's a little different in that it's not just a generative text-based solution. It does give you a bit more control over what you're doing, but the rendered outputs, although they're interesting, still have a very AI look to it that we've seen with the latest releases from OpenAI and such, that the physics is a little bit off. They have a sort of a cartoonish look to them. It's getting better and better. I personally, I'd like to see these studios and products be able to generate the content in a format that allows you to then take it into, say, Unreal Engine, or take it into After Effects, or to 3D Max or something, and then manipulate it further. I think that would be a great tool for filmmakers. I think the other thing that these tools really will be good at and initially be used for is the storyboarding, getting the concepts down and really being able to see, if I do it this angle with the camera versus this angle with the camera, or swap out the lenses, it'll give them tools really to help the creative process, as opposed to replacing the creative process with just somebody rendering text. Because remember, all of this stuff, I like to say, it's algorithmic imitation. It's just learning on things that have already been created and trying to synthesize them down into something. It's never going to be something new in terms of the way that things look, at least right now. It could always change. But I guess I'm glad to see the tools coming along. At the same time, they're going to get overused early on. It's just the nature of those types of products.